Now that we are logged into the database, we can start experimenting with the site. We are currently on the homepage for Galen Context High School, and no matter which database you select, all of the homepages will be set up in the same way. So once you learn this, you can carry this learning into the other databases. There is a search bar at the top here, and if you scroll down, there is some featured content in this slideshow, some topics of interest. And if you scroll down more, you'll see that the resources have been organized into popular categories. So this would be good if you get to choose the topic that you will be researching and you're not really sure where to start. So for example, let's say you are given an assignment to research a social issue. You can click on this title where it says there are 125 topics to choose from. And you can scroll through and peruse the different topics and see if anything pops out to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on fake news and take you to what a topic homepage looks like. So if a topic has a homepage, it will give you a brief overview at the top right here. And right underneath that, it's going to give you a menu of all of the content that is on this page. So in this way, you can start narrowing down the topic by source. For example, you can see that there are over 2,000 magazine articles, there are over 18,000 news articles, 179 academic journal articles, and if you scroll down, you'll see that same information organized in a different way. So we have 420 audio files. We have over 2,000 magazine articles. Now it's only going to list the top 3. So if one of those titles interests you, you can click directly on the blue title, or you can click on the title magazines, and that will give you the list of all 2,053 magazine articles. I'm going to go back though. Since there are so many resources on this topic, I would suggest narrowing your results. So that's where this search bar comes in handy. So right underneath the On This Page menu, you will have this search bar where you can search within the results. So if I type in an additional term here, something that says social media, and I press search, it's going to cross-reference everything that will talk about both social media and fake news at the same time. So that will help me narrow my results. And then I can sort by relevance, by the date that it was published, by the document title, or by the content level. You can also search for topics through the search bar at the top of the site, right here. So if you start typing in a search term, such as social media, fake news, a list of results will appear, suggestions will appear. If a suggestion appears in bold, like social media does, it means that the topic has a homepage. However, I wouldn't limit your search based only on topics that have homepages, because this site will give you results whether or not there is a homepage. So for example, social media platforms does not have a homepage, but if I click on it, I still will have a bunch of results. You can also search for topics right here by clicking on this button that says Browse Topics. And once you click on this button, a comprehensive list will appear of all of the topics that Gale has homepages for. So you can scroll through and see how many different research areas you can delve into, right? And if you scroll back up to the top, there is a drop-down menu that can help you filter these results. So you can look only at ones related to biography or science and health. The next video is going to take you through downloading and saving an article and annotating and highlighting them.